FBI Most Wanted, watch by, Most Wanted on Pluto TV. FBI Most Wanted is a high-stakes drama series that centers on the FBI's Fugitive Task Force, an elite unit dedicated to relentlessly pursuing and capturing the most notorious criminals on the Bureau's Most Wanted list. Premise and development: the series was conceived as a spin-off from the successful FBI series, with a backdoor pilot airing during its first season. CBS officially ordered FBI Most Wanted to series in May 2019, and it premiered on January 7, 2020. Cast and characters: the show features a talented ensemble cast portraying members of the Fugitive Task Force, each bringing unique skills to the team. Over the seasons, the cast has seen changes, with notable additions enhancing the dynamic of the series. Production and seasons: FBI Most Wanted has been well received, leading to multiple season renewals. As of April 2024, CBS renewed the series for a sixth season, scheduled to premiere on October 15, 2024. Critical reception: the series has garnered positive reviews for its engaging storytelling and character development. Critics have praised its ability to maintain suspense and deliver compelling narratives each episode. Where to watch: FBI Most Wanted airs on CBS and is available for streaming on Paramount+. Viewers can catch up on episodes through these platforms. For more information, including episode guides and cast details, you can visit the official CBS website.